morning, people. Today is the 15th. It's already 9:34. Market has opened 4 minutes ago. I am on the charts. I did mark up everything. Just want to say thank you for the last video. We almost got 500 views. I appreciate you guys so much. Today is day 7 or 8 on the 2-week demo. And yeah, today we're gonna try to win a trade and try to do our best to get a confidence back. It already came out 8:30. Came out bullish. But yeah, we got all the liquidity marked out. We're trading NASDAQ. So one thing I'm waiting for right now, I got pushes up to this liquidity, and I'm waiting for a 5-minute retrace. We might get here. We might get here and here if this doesn't close above here. And we're gonna look to push down to these lows, maybe even these lows, but maybe just these lows is gonna be our target. But yeah, we're just waiting for this 5-minute retrace. We headed down to the 1 minute now. We might get a 1-minute break of structure. I think we got it right there. This candle close right here. They get the 1-minute break of structure, and now we're just waiting for any confluences to be hit. It is 9:40. It's a little early. It's in the macro. We're not in the macro yet, but if the market gives us what we're looking for, we're gonna take it. Form this fair value gap here. It hasn't been tapped into yet. We are getting reactions to this fair value gap, and it looks like I got all my confirmations, and it looks like I'm gonna go in. Sir, we are in profit now. Look at the 23 cents floating. Yes, sir. We're gonna see what happens. It could just end up reversing, or it's gonna hit TP. Our first TP's here, and our last TP's there. Looks like this bitch is reversing on us, but we're gonna see what happens. Yes, sir, we took a L. We ended up taking the loss today over here, but it's part of the game. I'm not gonna be afraid of showing you guys my losses because I am unprofitable, so it doesn't even matter. I don't got work today, so that's the good part. We're gonna head to the gym. We're gonna start editing this video now because I don't want to do that shit later. Damn, that's crazy. Bias was right, but entry was just not it today. We got stopped out here, and we ended up hitting 2 of our targets. We're heading for this one down here. We did get the bias right, which I'm happy about, but we just didn't get the entry right. And honestly, there is no other entry besides this fair value gap here. There is no other entry anywhere here. We are headed to get pliables for my girl, because you know how it is. These girls, bro, they love the pliables, they love the tiki bowls, they love all that fucking bullshit. I'm not eating that because I am on a diet. Again, I want to thank y'all for almost 500 views. I'm driving and I noticed I can't focus. I have a check engine light, bro. Hopefully it's not too serious. We got the pliables here. Now we're gonna head back home. Check out what this check engine is about, man. That shit sucks. We got it all ready. We're gonna see what the code is here. P1450. I'm pretty sure that's the cats. I don't know. We're gonna go check it out. All I gotta do is put the code in here, and this dude came up, so we're gonna watch the video. I checked out the video. It's a purge valve leak or whatever. I've dealt with this before. So basically it's just this little piece here. We're gonna turn on the car, and basically if this pulls my finger like a vacuum, then this is bad. We gotta change it, that's all. So I want to talk about the goals for this week and the goals for going into next week. I want to have a good trading week. Obviously everybody does, but the goal is to be positive in the amount of trades that I take and the amount of trades that I win. Today was a loss, but this week determines if I'm gonna go into a funded. Pulled up to the spot. It's called happy belly. We got the shrimp. It looks like shit, but I promise you it's good. See that? Back at the crib, and there's pretty much nothing to do for the rest of the day right now. The only thing left is go to the gym, and that's gonna be the end of the day. I am gonna end the video here. It was a short day, but it was a productive day. But if you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.